Everybody, good evening. This is Neil with Simpler Futures, and today is Wednesday, the 11th. Market just closed. It's just now 3 o'clock, and we're at almost exactly the target that I gave you the other day. Here's what it's done since we were together last. Held essentially and traded into this target yesterday. Also traded up to 19 in the S&Ps, which is the beginning of that gap above. That gap goes up to about 46. So 19 to 46 is the gap. Today it started about 05, broke a little, came right back in to balance. This is a neutral, possibly, honestly, even neutral extreme day type, in that I like to see it finish a little better to really call it neutral extreme. But I mean, this is really close, and it carries the implication that we discussed the other day, and that is tried lower, rejected the lows, finished at the highs, trading through both sides of the initial balance, and it has us to anticipate additional follow through to the upside. So where we are right now is at the target that I gave you on Monday, which was this old end of quarter settle print up at around 09. And what we have yet still above is a gap. And so what I want to do now is use about this 85 level here as our line in the sand. Honestly, you could even bump that up to 95. The reason I'm not really ready to do that is because the CPI report in the morning, and I'm concerned that there could be additional volatility to cause me to want to kind of widen things a bit, given the potential for volatility on the number in the morning. But in the event that this thing does hold a support of, I really want to call it, this is expanded, but I want to call it 85 support, really almost could use 95. I want to target up to the two targets. The gap mid, call that about 31, and the gap fill itself at 46. Those would be my bullish targets. If somehow in the event the number is a bit excessive, or seemed a bit deemed anyway a bit excessive by the market, causing price to break and start to try to trade lower, then the target's going to be the same that I gave you the other day down there at about 42.80, which is a good distance lower. Not really what I'm looking for, honestly. I just know that I have to leave room for the anything can happen. What I am seeing here, and what this has me to anticipate, is a neutral to neutral, almost extreme day type, having me to anticipate additional follow through to the upside. So for that reason, I have to give the edge to the bulls and the bullish targets in this case. And I want to look for those targets tomorrow to be 44.31 and 44.46. Fill in the gap, basically above. If things get a little more kind of enhanced or excessive on the top side up there, you can go to the next target of reference, which would be 44.64. That's the same as this 09 print here. That's one of those old end of quarter prints, also on old settlement price as well. And that would be my extended, I guess, if you will, bullish target. But really focuses on filling the gap at 46, and if we need something a little higher, then you know what it is, and that would be 64 would be the next one above. So that's kind of where I'm at. Short and sweet really for tonight. It's catch up a little bit from where we were last, and that was looking for bullish into this target. But so now that we're at this target, I have to say, okay, well then what's next, right? And so that is what point we are, we find ourselves now, and so that's where I'm at. I'm kind of updating with additional follow-through upside targets given the fact that we are looking for some volatility tomorrow, with the number enough that matters. And of course, keeping in mind it can go either way, but this price action and this day type has me to have a lean, and the lean is in the direction that I'm citing with targets that I'm giving you. So I'll be with you again here, I believe tomorrow night with another update. And so until then, wish you good trading, and catch you soon. Take care.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me